Welcome to the action segment of Karma Cleanse Workshop Day 1. As part of it, we will be discussing about rituals and the Muhurtha, what we have chosen to do this particular ritual. There are two rituals for a day. One is around 11:45 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. and the second ritual is around the evening, which spans between 7 to 7:45 p.m. This two rituals we will be doing for the next 4 days. This will be like a preparatory phase for the Mahashivratri. Now, what is shown on the screen is a South Indian chart erected for 21st February 11:45 a.m. Here you will see in bright bold red letter ASC. This is nothing but ascendant or Lagna. He is around 4.29 degree and is moving towards Jupiter, that is written as JUP in green letter. Okay, Lagna is an important point in any horoscope. It starts its journey from Surya and it represents the beginning. So it is a very important thing in a chart. Lagna usually takes 2 hours to cross a Rashi, and when Lagna crosses any particular planet, it reflects the qualities of the planet and the Rashi within. In this case, Lagna touches upon Guru or moves towards Guru. So it brilliantly reflects the qualities, traits or Karaka of Guru, which is blessing, getting good guidance, feeling hopeful, basically all round goodness. Also remember, this is a Sthira Rashi or fixed Rashi, meaning whatever things you do during this time is supposed to bring you long standing results, let it be bad or good. Got it? So since you are involving in a good activity, spiritually uplifting activity, karma cleanse activity, this is supposed to give you long standing results. Okay, now similarly around this is the next chart. If you see in the middle, it would be between 7 p.m. This chart is erected for 7 p.m. The Lagna is moving towards Ketu. Okay, it is around 18 degree and Ketu is found, that is KET, is found around 4.30 degree of Kanya Rashi. So the proximity of Lagna is taken into account here. During this time, we will be involving in the second ritual for the day. Ketu is seen as a sannyasa graha. His traits reflect none other than Lord Shiva himself. So, even if you miss the afternoon ritual, don't miss the evening one. Ketu is more often seen as a troublemaker, but in reality, he only points where a potential problem is there in your chart. He is the strongest planet of all the Navagrahas. He is also the Jnana Karaka. Since we are focusing on karma cleanse, have a strong sankalpa towards Lord Shiva during this Muhurtha, especially during this Muhurtha, asking him for divine guidance to remove all the unproductive karma and show you the path for true freedom. What makes the Muhurtha timings, what I have discussed so far, will differ slightly for based on geography. Sometimes even within India, but I have taken the buffer, so you don't have to worry much for people within India. But for people in different geographies, please use this calculator. I'll be sharing you the link below this post. So where it is written as 1, enter your location. Where it is written as 2, enter your date, that is the current date, 22nd February. Followed by where it is written as 3 and 4, note down the timings. Rishabha Rashi between what to what time. Kanya Rashi between what to what time. So this is specific for your geography. Okay, I'll share you the link below. Now coming to the ritual. This ritual is nothing but Shiva Panchakshari Mantra, Om Namah Shivaya. Okay. Start with 27 counts. Slowly amp to 54 and then 108. Or you can right away jump to 108 also. It should not take you more than 10 to 14 minutes. Okay. What makes this even more special is Guru, this particular Muhurtas and these time windows we have selected now, Guru isn't trying with Ketu. Guru is the divine planet. Ketu, both are like linked to spirituality. These Guru shows you the path. Guru, who is Guru? Guru will show us the path. Na? This is the path. Please walk on that path. Ketu is the end. We should not call it as an end point, but he is the Karaka for spirituality. Okay, this particular combination, both being in trine, it like signifies like it's the combination for Siddhas and Siddha Purush. In a given day, if you are able to do both the rituals, it is like taking blessing from your Guru as well as the divine, Lord Shiva himself. Now, both of them are not different. Got it? I'll be sharing you the link for doing the ritual. Have your now some tip on how to do this ritual. Have your attention in heart chakra. Close your eyes and listen to our very own Swamiji reciting the Panchakshari mantra for us. Okay, thank you.